The connection between man and machine has always been around for ages. This 2004 Chevy Avalanche is an amazing work of art, and it has changed my life in so many ways. It allowed me to build a strong community, develop new friendships, and expand my knowledge. For that, I will always be grateful. This truck is an extension of my love, hard work, and dedication. It will always be an extension of King Customz.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoyed that quick little segment clip that we did just now. I just wanted to spread my love for the Avalanche, and I know a bunch of you guys will appreciate it too. So if you did, definitely leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know how you guys enjoyed it, and also hit that like button if you did. Now, we do have a few projects coming up for the Avalanche. Obviously, one of the first ones, well, it's not obvious because I haven't told you guys anything about it, but it's a custom grill that I want to get made for this truck. Something a little more King Custom style to let the grill look a lot more different than it is now. Also, one of the projects that we want to work on is the custom wide body kit that we want to do. How it's going to flow, I'm not 100% sure, but we'll figure that out with the help of my friend Peter. Another project that we have upcoming is the lock actuator for the passenger side door. I bought that, so we do have that coming up as well. And one more thing that we do have to work on is the lights on the running board. So as soon as I get the moment, I'm definitely going to put those on. As soon as we press the unlock button, the entire floor is going to light up. That way we don't step on a snake or two, and we can see everywhere that we're going. There's also a bunch of little stuff that I do want to get for the Avalanche, and one of the other things that I want to get is towing mirrors. Now, I don't know much about the towing mirrors, so if any of you guys have towing mirrors on your rigs, please let me know. Definitely leave it in the comment section below. Let me know, do they still auto fold, or do I lose that function if I get the towing mirrors? That's something that I've been kind of hesitant on getting in because I don't want to lose the auto fold function. I think the auto fold feature is an awesome little neat feature to have instead of getting out there and manually folding them. So let me know. Plus, if you do get the towing mirrors, do they auto telescope? Is that how you say it? Telescope? Do they do that automatically, or do you have to manually do that? Let me know. Leave it all in the comment section below. I definitely love to hear from you guys. And with that being said, we'll see you for the upcoming projects. Peace.